We're going to use the iPhone here. All right, so this is Dennis. He's had, here we go. He had 2 stem cell treatments for both of his hips. He started off in December of 2013. Now we're 5 weeks out from his second stem cell treatment in his hips, and it's the date is June 6th, 2014. So, how are you doing?
Well, I'd say I'm doing better. I'm finally able to do some work.
Yeah.
Putting long hours, 9 hours some days, building fence, putting garden in. It's pretty, and then plus an hour and a half drive both ways makes me fairly stiff.
Yeah.
But once I slow down a little bit, pain goes away. Normally now at nights there's almost a lot of no pain at nights. Used to be pain at nights. Left hip pretty much pain-free now, where it had a lot of pain. Right hip still pain, a certain amount, but it's declining.
Yeah.
And if I would probably slow down, it'd probably be pretty good.
Yeah. And when you're talking about working, you're talking about 12-foot fence posts, go digging holes 3 feet deep, and done 90 of them, and strung the fence wire and everything
which is
too.
72 inches, and plus pull the barbed wire in.
Yeah.
And nail that all up.
Yeah.
And plus dig holes for plants, garden, and all that. So.
Yeah, some pretty hard work and long hours at it, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. And what about pain medication for you now?
I'm taking no pain medication.
That's so great, huh?
And I need to, the one thing stated, I need to stretch more, especially the left side, because for some reason it's pulling on the right side. So I've been told to over-exercise the left side with my stretches.
Yeah. Yeah. So overall, you're, I can see you're pleased with your results.
Well, I'd say I'm doing good. I don't know the schedule here.
Yeah. How long it's going to take.
Yeah, how long it's going to take, and if we...
How far you get.
Completely pain-free, but at least it's managed. It's definitely manageable, and I can work where before I couldn't. I was at the point I couldn't work.
Yeah, yeah. We had also first interviewed over a year ago in April, and we had some imaging studies that showed how degenerated things were, and we didn't do it, and we didn't do the treatment. We waited until December, and by then it had gone a lot worse.
A lot worse. Well, I didn't know about Dr. Noel till September. I had previous treatments, lasted 6 weeks, and then I finally decided better do something about September, October, because it was getting worse fast.
Yeah, yeah.
And it did show in x-rays, 2 sets of x-rays.
Yeah. And so not only did it stop getting worse, it turned around and started getting significantly better.
Yes.
So that's very impressive too. And I know we've had the conversation of just what to expect, how far pain relief can go, and whether or not you can get that right hip pain-free. But made a lot of progress in the last 5 weeks, and certainly since December, so I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Okay.
When the winter rains hit, we'll find out in western Washington and western Oregon.
Yes, we will. Yeah. Okay, well, thank you, Dennis.
Okay.